Okay, Barbie, you are ready for your wedding. You can kiss the bride, Ken.
Can't wait to spend a lifetime. Huh? Don't touch me!
Hey, handsome. Ew, you belong in the trash.
Whoa!
I cut it!
This can't be happening. Yes, I'll marry you.
Oh, babe.
Don't do this, please.
Oh, Barbie's so ugly and boring. But her, she's so pretty. Not gonna play with you anymore.
No! I thought we were friends. Ouch! Oh. I'm all alone now. Wait, who's there?
Huh? Yikes. She must be the creepy Barbie.
I'm a lost cause.
Maybe I can help. But first, I need some encouragement, people. Now back to you.
He left me for her.
Stop acting desperate. Come with me. No time to waste. We have a long way to go.
It is so dark in here.
Get used to it. Ugh. Girl, you need a miracle with that face. What? Hey, are you okay? I'm traumatized.
Yay, you're back.
This must be a manufacturing mistake or something.
Hey!
Let's fix this tragedy of a nose. Nope. I'll try to sculpt something less horrifying.
Whoa, you sure about this?
I committed a crime against plastic. This better be it.
Wow, it's stunning.
Yep, but your face. Somebody thought this was modern art? No way we are keeping those.
Wait! This feels weird. Whoa!
Done!
Is this part of the makeover or torture?
Whoa! Getting ready for my first face transplant. Just kidding. But I am more of a beauty doctor in this case. Talk about a clean canvas. Yikes! I should burn this later. Time to start fresh. I'm here! Hold still.
Finally! Let's not do that again. So flawless. Wait, where did you go? Huh?
Whoops, you got me.
How dare you mock me?
Just as I planned.
That girl gets on my nerves. Wow, but she sure knows what she's doing. Blood red lips, classic. Nice work, kiddo.
Ew! Have you been chewing dirt?
Whoa!
Ready yourself. This is gonna be brutal. Open wide. Almost done. Goodbye, grime. This was tiring. Don't skip the dentist next time. I did my best work.
What is that for?
Patience. Just trust the process. I haven't failed you yet, did I? There. A vampire needs her fangs, you know. Mirror, mirror. Come and take a look at your new face. Don't worry.
Wow, I can't recognize myself. Wait, what the?
Whoops, my bad. I forgot to change the setting for vampire.
Can't hide this beauty. Whoa, what's happening? Stop! Go away! You flying rats! Go bother someone else! Shoo! I can't see anything!
I'm right here. Can you stop? Good thing I have my first aid kit ready. Let's take this as an opportunity to make your eyes pop. Not literally. Nothing says fierce predator like red eyes.
Let me see. Wow, these eyes could hypnotize anyone. Sharp. But my hair is dry as a desert. Oh, what the?
Wap-clusive delivery for you. Straight from the monster mailroom.
But we didn't order anything.
Watch out!
What's in here? Oh! The universe heard my complaints. This is just what I need. Let's tame that mane. Whoa! I wasn't expecting that.
I was.
Can't be that bad.
I'll fix this.
Better than me, espresso.
I'm up to no good. Just a little piece. She needs a trim anyway.
Oh, that little.
Stop acting like a baby.
That's for me?
Duh. Now let me concentrate. Too much glue will make your new hair look greasy. So gotta be careful. All done.
Huh? Wow! Entering my Morticia era. I'm obsessed. It's giving main character energy. A magical tunnel to a secret room?
After you.
Wow! What is this place?
Go find out.
Whoa! Is this a lab? A very creepy lab.
Yoo-hoo!
So cool!
Thank you!
Hold that thought. No gowns allowed in here. Oh, hey! My lab, my rules. Don't look! Huh? She was just here. Don't worry. You'll get used to me. Are you doing what I'm thinking? Maybe. Depends on what you're thinking. Smart answer, right? Anyway, I have an experiment to complete. Can't believe I'm using my doctoral degree for this. Oh well, here goes nothing. Are you sure about this? My theories are proven right. Way better, right? Wow, you really are the smartest person I've met. Oh, now I look like I belong in a haunted castle. Huh? Oh, not with those bow wow shoes. Oh, I'll do the honors. Bye. Oh, but I paid a fortune for them. Whoa, do I want to know? Knowledge is power, so yeah. Just a sec. Oh, I get it. You're a genius. You bet I am. They're serving up major Beetlejuice wedding vibes. Thank you. Some lab-made pearls and diamonds. Won't say no to that. These earrings sparkle like forbidden stars. And your blood-dripping necklace. Perfect. Now let's test your transformation. What happened? Am I back? I feel so disoriented and dizzy. The room is spinning.
Garlic does that to vampires. You are ready. Let's show them who's the boss.
Can't wait to see their faces.
I'll do one final quality control. Shoes, check. Dress, can't get any better than this. Hair and makeup, fang-tastic.
Who needs daylight when you can own the night? Bow down to your immortal queen. Yay! Let's do this! It's my time to shine.
We are in this together.
I owe you big time.
Kiss me, darling. Hey, remember her? Wow, how did she become so pretty? With some magic and love. Oh. Ew, I'm bored of this doll.
Whoa! She betrayed me! Ouch!
Him too.
No! Where am I going? Ow! Are we in the trash? Let me out! I'm afraid of germs! Whoa! Can't believe that's Barbie!
Shouldn't have left me. Huh?
Take me back!
Oh!
Whoa! That hurt!